funniest Thanksgiving memory.
Well, my funniest Thanksgiving memory, I think, is probably one of the most traumatic ones at the same time.
As a child, went to my grandparents' Thanksgiving, and my grandmother introduced me to green olives with the pimentos.
What happened was me and my wife were arguing. I'm not even sure what happened on Thanksgiving. Anyways, we got into a food fight with potatoes.
As we were cleaning up and everything, we noticed, where's the whatever it was, and it was in the microwave.
When we were sitting around the table and we were passing around food, one of those items was the corn.
And my grandfather told me, of course, that they were eyeballs that were pickled. So that got me to try them.
The pot must have gotten slippery because it fell onto the floor and onto my beagle, Feisty.
Following my dad's recipe for stuffing and trying to get it in the bird when I had more stuffing than I did bird. So it was, I'm sure it was amusing to the people around me.
After I oiled the turkey up, I was taking it to the pan and it flew across my kitchen into my dining room, and I didn't tell anybody. I just picked it up, washed it off, and put it on the pan. So.
Pouring hot tea into a cold glass pitcher, and it busted it all over the place. And of course, we didn't have tea to drink that day.
So I was taking potatoes out of with a spatula and throwing it at her, and then she was throwing them at me, and we were throwing potatoes at each other. And this was not that long ago. This is probably about 10 years ago. So it wasn't like we were just young married kids. We've been married for 20, 30 years at that point.
And so now it's like a family joke when we sit down, is everything on the table?
Whatever. Thanksgiving's always meant family time, and it's always the entry into the holiday season.
Time to be thankful, enjoying the many abundant blessings that have been provided in family.
Thanksgiving is a time for family. That's what it means to me. It's when family gets together and we enjoy each other.
We try to sit together and enjoy each other's company.
Inevitably, there's sports and politics that usually boil to the surface.
And of course food, and then everybody wants to take a nap.
I think it means just what it says, is giving thanks for everything that you have.
It's family, friends, just coming together, eating good food.
Spending time with your family and being thankful for all the things that you've received over the years.
It's a time to reflect and think about all the blessings that you have.
But it's appreciating that we have a family that's close, and not everyone is fortunate to have that.
I get to travel. That's normally what we do at Thanksgiving, is travel.
It's always been my favorite holiday.
Really enjoyed doing that all these years.
My favorite Thanksgiving food is sweet potato casserole.
Oh, mashed potatoes. When else does someone actually make homemade mashed potatoes? Really?
You know, the dark beers that are normally associated at the time, you know, porters, the stouts.
Turkey.
Turkey? No. Ham? No, definitely stuffing. Maybe pecan pie.
That's a hard one to choose. There's so much, right?
My favorite Thanksgiving food, believe it or not, is yeast rolls. I love the yeast rolls on Thanksgiving. I love the yeast rolls.
Pecan pie, love it.
Cranberry sauce.
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie, that would be pumpkin pie. Love pumpkin pie with some Cool Whip on top.
What are you most thankful for this year?
My daughter's happiness.
My sister, who've been trying to have a baby for a very long time, finally did, and we welcomed my nephew in June.
Good health, be able to go waterfalling. We chase waterfalls.
My family's doing really well.
Great friends and great family.
Very thankful for our grandkids.
Living in America.
My health and family.
For all the friends who have helped me out this year.
My kids being close to me and my grandson.
I'm thankful for my health. Having that's the most important thing for me.
Here at Steele Rubber Products, I'm thankful for my employees. I probably got some of the greatest employees around.
All the great employees that we have.
That I have an awesome job. The car industry, the antique cars, it really does get to my heart, and it's something that my family is into.
Here at Steele, it's a family environment, and I really appreciate that. It's a team environment in the area I'm in. We all work together well, and the new skills that I'm able to develop.
I love my job. I've been here a long time. I get to see a lot of different cars and a lot of different customers, and I like helping them.
getting to make parts for classic cars.
I'm thankful that I have a job around people that I can really appreciate.
I'm really thankful for all the new people we've gotten. It's been really refreshing.
By far the people that I work with.
The business that I'm in. I mean, you know, this is a passion business. I get up in the morning, I'm glad to come into work. The people are always smiling, happy, and just want to share about their hobbies. And this is the greatest business in the world.
Lynn Steele is my father and the founder of Steele Rubber Products. So in the spirit of Thanksgiving, I would like to say thanks to all of our customers for choosing us over the years and allowing me and my family and all the employees here to carry on his legacy and to serve the restoration industry that he loved and we all love so much. It's a fun and cool industry to be in.